Everyone, good day, Mr. Jeffrey Raguro, our professor in Management Information System. By the way, I am Rosel B. Salditos from HMS 1D. This topic is for activity number 11. First is, what is the role of knowledge management system in business? So, ano nga ba yung ginagampanan ng knowledge management sa isang business? Define knowledge management and explain its value to business. So, ang knowledge management ay KM, which is the systematic management of an organization's knowledge, assets for the purpose of creating values and meeting tactical and strategic requirements. It consists of the initiatives, processes, strategies, and systems that sustain and enhance the storage, assessment, sharing, refinement, and creation. Yeah. Knowledge management, or KM, therefore implies a strong tie to organizational goods and strategy, and it involves the management of knowledge that is useful for some purpose and which creates values for our organizations. KM involves the understanding of where and in what forms knowledge exists, what the organization needs to know, so ano daw yung kailangan malaman ng isang organization, how to promote a culture conducive to learning, sharing, and knowledge creation, how to make the right knowledge available to the right people at the right time, how to best generate or acquire new relevant technology, how to manage all those factors so as to enhance performance in light of the organization's strategic goals and short-term opportunities and threats. Yung knowledge management system ay tumutulong para sa isang firm or company para mapabuto ka. Kasi it's all about knowledge nga, so kalaman. Tumutulong siya sa pag-storage, assessment, sharing, refinement, and creations. For the next question, distinguish between data knowledge and wisdom and between tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. So, ano nga ba yun? Ang data by itself has no meaning but it is the first step in the creation of knowledge. So, kailangan daw ng data para makapag-create ng isang knowledge. So, isa siyang step. Kasi, syempre, kung wala nga naman data, paano malalaman kung ano yung i-assess mo? So, knowledge includes concepts, experience, and insight that provides framework for creating, evaluating, and using information. So, ang knowledge daw ay maaari nagtatay sa concepts, experience, and insight. Siyempre, pag may mga conceptualize ka or may mga experience ka na, maaring may alam ka. Diba? Ang experience kasi nakakatulong yun sa atin para may malaman tayo or may sabuhay tayo. Wisdom is the collective and individual experience of for applying knowledge to the solution of problems. So, pareha sila ng knowledge pa rin ang wisdom. Explicit knowledge is knowledge that has been documented. So, pag documented ang knowledge ay tinatawag na explicit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is the expertise and experience of organization members that has been formally documented. For the next question is, describe the information dimensions of knowledge. So, ano nga ba yung mga important na dimension ng knowledge? So, knowledge is a firm assets. An intangible assets requires organizational resources. Yung knowledge daw ay nakakatulong sa firm or asset ng isang firm. Knowledge as different forms can be either tacit or explicit. So, yun nga yung pinaliwanag kanina, dalawa yung between knowledge, which is tacit and explicit. Knowledge as allocation, it's a cognitive event involving metadales and maps of individuals. Knowledge is a situational, or it's conditional, it related to context. For the next question is, describe the stages in knowledge management value chain. So, yun yung stages ng value chain. Knowledge acquisition, knowledge storage, knowledge dissemination, and then knowledge applications. So, dyan na umiikot yung knowledge dyan sa chain na yun. Next question is, what are the business benefits of using intelligent techniques for knowledge management? Nandito, artificial intelligence lacks the flexibility, breadth, and generality of human intelligence, but it can be used to capture, codify, and extend organizational knowledge. Expert system capture tacit knowledge from a limited domain of human expertise and express that knowledge in the form of rules. Expert systems are most useful for problems of classifications or diagnosis. Case-based reasoning represents organizational knowledge as a database of cases that can be continually expanded and refined. Yun, di ba may mga artificial intelligence sa which is yung robot, yan, yung mga mga makabago na. Which is nga doon na may benefits sila, may knowledge na doon. Pero mas hindi pa rin nila makuha yung domain ng tao. Diba? May mga kulang pa din. Tulad ng mga expertise, syempre mga express. So, lang sila. Robot, di ba lang, yun lang yung gagawin nila. So, yun lang talaga pag yun lang yung naka-capture sa ginawa sa kanya. Define an expert system, describe how it works, explain its value to the business. Ayan. Ano nga ba ang tinutulong ng expert system sa isang business? So, ito yan. Expert system are an intelligent technique for capturing tacit knowledge in a very specific and limited domain of human expertise. This system captures the knowledge of skilled employees in the form of a set of rules and a software system that can be used by others and organizations. Expert system help organizations make high-quality decisions with fewer people. They are used in discrete, highly structured decision-making situations where expertise is expensive or in short supply. Next is define case-based reasoning and explain how it differs from an expert system. Case-based reasoning or CBR uses descriptions of past experiences specialists, representing them as cases and storing them in a database for later retrieval when the user encounters a new case with similar parameters. The system searches stored cases similar to the new one, locates the closest fit, and offers the solutions to case fits the solution to the old case for use with a new case. It is added to the case database. The case will be added with a new solution explanation as to why the solution did not work. CBR differs from expert system in that it captures the knowledge of the organizations rather than a single done if then rules. Also, expert system work by applying CBR represents knowledge as a series of cases. With case-based reasoning, the knowledge base continuously updated by the users. Define fuzzy logic and describe the type of decisions fuzzy logic system make. Fuzzy logic is a rule-based AI technology, which is artificial intelligence technology that tolerates imprecision by creating rules that we approximate or subject values or incomplete or ambiguous data. Fuzzy logic represents more closely the way people actually think than traditional if-then rules. For example, if we all agree that 120 degree is hot and negative 40 degrees is cold, then is 75 degree hot, warm, comfortable, or cold? The answer is fuzzy at the best cannot be programmed in an if-then manner. Japan Sendai subway system use a fuzzy logic system to control acceleration so it will operate more smoothly. Define and describe intelligent agents and give an example of a type of intelligent agent. So, ito naman yung IA, which is intelligent agents. Intelligent agents are software programs that use a built-in a learned knowledge base to carry out a specific, repetitive task for an individual user, business process, or software applications. Intelligent agents can be used as wizards to help users do or learn how to perform a given task. Yan. By watching the user of a program or system, an intelligent agent may customize the software system to meet the user's need, reducing software support costs. Yan. Na bibuilt in yung intelligent agents sa gusto ng users. So, nako-customize siya depende sa kailangan ng users. Yan. It can be used to carry out smart searches of the database, data warehouse, or the internet, reducing search costs and avoiding the problems of misdirected searches. Agent-based modeling applications model consumer, stock market, and supply chain. Sa activity number 11, pinakita dito yung mga iba-ibang system na maaring makatulong sa isang firm. Alam na naman natin na ang isang firm ay kailangan ng system para mas magawa or maiayos ang isang firm or isang company. Although, mahal nga ang system.